College of the Atlantic is dedicated to the study and practice of human ecology. Our approach is interdisciplinary and encourages students not just to investigate complex issues, but also to work collaboratively for positive change. COA was the first school in the country to sign the Break Free from Plastics pledge. My name is Linnea, and for my senior project, I'm writing my campus's Zero Waste Action Plan. To do this, I was accepted as an Alice Zero Waste Fellow with the Post-Landfill Action Network. Through my fellowship, we applied for grant funding to implement this program. To check out a reusable item, anyone on campus can download the Reusey app, which allows us to check out containers the same way we might check out a library book. We scan the QR code on the item and show the app screen to the server, who then gives us food. To return items, we can just scan them back in at the return station, and then they're washed and sanitized for the next user. COA is the first campus to implement this program for 100% stainless steel items, and we are the first campus to replace disposable utensils with reusable sporks. Campuses that have implemented tracking systems have seen return rates increase from around 30% annually to over 96%. This opens the door for circularity, allowing us to experiment with items like mugs and sporks. Eliminating the purchase of disposables will save us thousands of dollars each year, allowing us to cover the cost of labor and logistics needed to operate this program. Through this project, I have learned about the many steps involved in implementing a project that involves stakeholders from many different campus departments. One of my hopes for this program is that it inspires other students to implement other projects outlined in the Zero Waste Action Plan in the future.